removing a 02E DQ250 gearbox. This is a 1.9 TDI car. As you can see, all I am is chained to this eyelet onto my engine crane. Jack underneath the engine. As you can see, the gearbox takes a natural position to clear the dual mass flywheel. And the gearbox is free, so we can just lower away. Again, just emphasising how free this gearbox is, so I can just lower away and it'll come out pretty simple. So if you're doing a gearbox out job on the ground on one of these Volkswagen transverse DSGs, that's the easiest way. And as you can see, with a bit of finesse and moving things slowly downwards, we can get the gearbox out in this way. As you can see, the gearbox is almost down on the ground at this point. So yeah, that's our 02E. If you're really desperate and on the floor, this is the way to do it. Well, one of the ways at least. You could probably do it with a floor jack, but I didn't really feel like it falling off the floor jack on top of me, so